To replace the UV lamp, first shut off the UV breaker and the appropriate raw water pump. You can then loosen the purple end cap and gently pull it away from the lamp. Now, remove the ceramic connector and the O-ring. Repeat the last two steps for the other side. Ensuring not to touch the glass with bare hands, pull the lamp straight out of the sleeve, ensuring it doesn't scrape against the wall. Delicately insert the new lamp inside the sleeve. Then replace the O-ring the ceramic connector as well as the purple end cap. You can now repeat the same steps for the other side. Once both sides have been properly reassembled, turn on the UV and wait 15 minutes before putting the appropriate raw water pump into auto mode.